Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can save Netflix downloads to SD card on Android. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Netflix app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the recommendations page. Here, tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and the profile window will open up. On this page, tap on the three lines at top right corner and select App Settings. Inside the App Settings, there will be a feature called Download Location. Simply tap on it and a pop-up will be displayed. Now, if you have an SD card attached to your mobile device, then it will show inside it. So you just need to select it and you are good to go. So that's basically how you can save Netflix downloads to SD card on Android. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.